1. What is the function of a retinaculum? Correct answer. B. Holds tendons in place. 2. What is a bursa? Correct answer. C. Fluid-filled sac reducing friction. 3. What is the main role of synovial tendon sheaths? Correct answer. B. Reduce friction around tendons. 4. What is fascia? Correct answer. C. A fibrous sheet covering muscles. 5. Where is superficial fascia located? Correct answer. B. Between dermis and deep fascia. 6. Which type of fascia supports muscles and forms retinacula? Correct answer. C. Deep fascia. 7. What are the components of the central nervous system CNS? Correct answer. B. Brain and spinal cord. 8. Which system controls voluntary movements? Correct answers were B. Somatic nervous system. 9. What do dendrites do? Correct answer. C. Carry impulses toward the cell body. 10. What type of neuron has one process that splits into two branches? Correct answer. C. Pseudonipolar. 11. What type of neurons are pseudonipolar? Correct answer. B. Sensory neurons of the PNS. 12. Pseudonipolar neurons are originally which type of neuron during development? Correct answer. B. Bipolar. 13. Bipolar neurons are found in all of the following, except Correct answer. D. Spinal cord. 14. Which type of neuron is most common in the CNS? Correct answer. C. Multipolar. 15. A ganglion is defined as Correct answer. C. Group of cell bodies in PNS. 16. In the CNS, a collection of neuronal cell bodies is called a Correct answer. B. Nucleus. 17. Schwann cells are responsible for Correct answer. C. Myelinating axons in PNS. 18. Which of the following glial cells is phagocytic in nature? Correct answer. C. Microglia. 19. Which cells are involved in myelin formation? In the CNS? Correct answer. D. Oligodendrocytes. 20. What is the main function of synapses? Correct answer. B. Transmission of nerve impulses. 21. Synapses between an axon and a dendrite are called. Correct answer, C. Axodendritic. 22. The cortex of the brain is made up of. Correct answer, B. Grey matter. 23. White matter is primarily composed of. Correct answer, C. Axons forming tracts. 24. A fluid-filled cavities in the brain are called. Correct answer, B. Ventricles. 25. The spinal cord ends at which vertebral level in adults? Correct answer, CL2. 26. In newborns, the spinal cord ends at the level of. Correct answer, BL3. 27. The conus medullaris refers to. Correct answer, C. Conical end of spinal cord. 28. Which meninges layer is in direct contact with the brain, spinal cord? Correct answer, C. Pia mater. 29. The subarachnoid space contains. Correct answer, C. CSF. 30. Which of the following statements about the spinal cord is true? Correct answer, C. Is cervical and lumbar enlargements. 31. Cerebrospinal fluid CSF is produced by. Correct answer, C. Choroid plexuses. 32. CSF is found in which of the following spaces? Correct answer, C. Subarachnoid space. 33. What is the main function of CSF? Correct answer, C. Cushion and protect the brain and spinal cord. 34. Multiple sclerosis, MS primarily affects which dot structure? Correct answer, B. Myelin in the CNS. 35. Which of the following is not a symptom of multiple dot sclerosis? Correct answer, C. Bone fracture. 36. MS is more common in. Correct answer, B. Women. 37. Which cranial nerve is the only one to emerge from the dorsal aspect of the brain? Correct answer, D. Trochlear nerve CN4. 38. How many cranial nerve pairs are there? Correct answer, B12. 39. Cell bodies of sensory fibers in cranial nerves are found. Correct answer, C. In sensory ganglia outside the CNS. 40. How many pairs of spinal nerves exist in total? Correct answer, B. 31. 41. Which of the following is not a spinal nerve dot group? Correct answer, C. Pelvic. 42. How many cervical spinal nerves are there? Correct answer, the 8. 43. The dorsal root ganglion contains. Correct answer, bisensory neuron cell bodies. 44. The ventral root of the spinal nerve carries. Correct answer, C. Motor fibers. 45. The white ramus contains. Correct answer, C. Preganglionic sympathetic fibers. 46. Spinal nerves are formed by the union of. Correct answer, bidorsal and ventral roots. 47. Each dorsal root contains a ganglion located. Correct answer, C. Within the intervertebral foramen. 48. Spinal nerves connect to the sympathetic chain ganglia through. Correct answer, C. Rami communicans. 49. Cell bodies of GSA and GVA fibers are located in. Correct answer, C. Dorsal root ganglia. 50. GSE fibers originate from which part of the spinal cord? Correct answer, the anterior horn.